Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let's solve a drug dose calculation question, which is like everyone's nightmare on NCLEX. Now, whenever you're doing drug dose calculation questions, I will be working on 3 formula with you. Today, we're going to do formula number 1, and all the questions can be solved with one out of these 3 formula. So let's have a look at this question and see what works for this. So the question says a dose of 4,500 milligram of medication has been ordered for a patient. The medication comes in 5 gram per 0.3 milliliter vial or whatever. But the question is, what volume will you give to this patient? So you've been given some weight and you have to have your answer in volume, which is definitely going to be in milliliter. Okay, now whenever you see this as your question volume, always remember the formula you will be using. It is whatever has been ordered divided by whatever you have as available, multiplied by volume or diluted in whatever amount. In this question, we have 4,500 milligram as our order. The available dose is 5 grams, and it has been diluted in a volume of 0.3 milliliters. Okay, now we have to make a conversion here, so you could do either way, whatever works for you. I'm going to just convert my milligrams into grams. So we all know that it will come out to be 4.5 grams. And now we're going to plug these values into this formula and get to the right answer. Okay, so our values are, order is 4.5 grams. Available dose is 5 grams. And the volume is 0.3 ml. Okay, you don't have to panic about the calculations because you will always have access to your calculator on the exam. I'm just going to use my phone calculator and plug these values. So we have 4.5 divided by 5 multiplied by 0.3, and the answer is 0.27 ml. So this is how you can make your calculations easier. All you need to know are the conversions. If you want, please comment below and I can create a video just on conversions for you, the important conversions needed for NCLEX. And we are also going to do the other 2 formulae as well. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.